Multi-tab Chrome extension. In this video, we're going to be talking about a very useful extension that you can find on your Chrome Web Store, and it's called Multi-tab. Now, Multi-tab is a Chrome extension that you can find on the Chrome Web Store by simply writing in Multi-tab. Here, it's going to give you the Chrome Web Store, so we're simply going to go right over to it. Now, it's totally free to add, so do make sure to go ahead and add it anytime. Now, what Multi-tab actually does is it's a browser extension to open and group a bunch of tabs from a list of URLs that you may have. So you don't need to go ahead and again and again go to different tabs by adding different URLs. You can open all of them in one swift move by simply adding their URLs in multi-tab. So only paste URLs and copy URLs from existing tab group and paste them elsewhere. So to get started off with this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Add to Chrome. Now, once we've done that, we're going to click on Add Extension. And once we've done that, there we go. So the extension is now in our Chrome. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to go ahead and click it open. Now, once it's open over here, you can see it gives us this interface where it says Open Tabs. Then we have Tab Group, and then we have Copy Tab URLs. All right. So first of all, let's talk about Open Tabs. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 different URLs over here. So I'm going to add www.youtube.com. Okay. So I'm going to add youtube.com. Now we're going to come down here. We're going to add www.letsgowithreddit.com. And one final URL, let's go with www.facebook.com. Now these are 3 different links that I'm about to open in one way. You can also go ahead and add them to a specific tab group or create a new tab group, or you can even go with them opening without a tab group. So once we click on Open Tabs, you're going to see that it's going to open all those tabs all together for you. Now, in the case it does not do so, in the case it does not open that, do make sure to go ahead and open it right in a group. So let's say if I were to copy this, bring it right over here, you're going to paste it. You're going to choose whatever link you want, open it up in that link, and in the case it will open up. Now, in the case that it does give you these issues like the URL can't be opened or something like that, then what you can do in that case is go ahead and copy tab URLs for yourself however you want. And accordingly to this, you're going to click on open, and look at that. Just like that, it's going to open them up for you. You're going to do the same over here. So we're going to go over to a new tab, click on multi-tab. I'm going to go ahead and write youtube.com. Once we do that, simply click on open tab. And once you go ahead and open this tab, it should do it as so for you. Now, in the case, again, it does cause you errors. Do make sure to go ahead and copy the exact URL off of the website that you want to add over here. So you paste it over here. Click on open. Do make sure it has the HTTPS in front of it and behind it, because in that case, it will open it up. So just add URLs like this into a group format. And that is basically how you're going to use a multi-tab Chrome extension for yourself to open multiple tabs. One last thing I'm going to show you real quickly is how you can actually go ahead and copy different types of URLs to, initiate a proper group opening. So I'm going to go over to Reddit as well. Let's go ahead and copy Reddit's URL. And now once we've done that, we're going to go ahead, come over to a new tab, click on multi-tab right here, and we're going to one by one add the links we copied. So simply do this, open it up, go ahead, add this, enter, add this, and simply choose the group or no group if that depends on you. Click on open tabs, and there you can see we have opened YouTube and Reddit right into our tab space. So basically that is how you're going to go ahead and use the multi-tab Chrome extension for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.